here from FFCA in Republic of Korea. Today, I'm going to open a box from the Aerofoam Model Mig-17. Let's go. Oh, great. One more box here. Good job. Yes, but the company is Avios. Avios is the name of Hobbyking OEM model. So that means Aerofoam supplied the Mig-17 to Hobbyking. It has two kinds of version. This one is the electronic ducted fan model, and the other is the turbine model.
Mig-17 from AliExpress, but Avios Mig-17 arrived. In other words, it is proof that AF Model delivered the product to Hobbyking as an OEM. I bought it at Hobbyking for $326 United States dollars and 54 cents and at AliExpress for $58 United States dollars and 89 cents, more expensive $385 United States dollars and 43 cents.
Holy shit, I completely fooled. But there's a manual. This is AF model. You can see. Anyway, I will introduce this airplane to you. Mig-17 fuselage. It's a little heavy, and air brake here. Right main, left main, and vertical turbine, and two stabilizer, and some miscellaneous accessory, and two antennas made by plastic, and this is main wing pins. Here. made by plastic either. And some tools hand devices, machine gun, and linkage, some tools, etc. Until here, the unboxing of Aerofoam Mig-17 Fresco. No, AF model to me. Thank you for watching and see you next time. I will be back how to build. Thank you, Panos.